This is Beans. It's Daisy's white knight, isn't it? He says, yeah, he is. He's my white knight. I like him a lot. See, I'll coordinate on them that I can do the water and the film. Our new tune is, wherever you go, whatever you do, you will always do it together. You like Beans. You like Beans, don't you? He's nice. He's my meow-water husband. Yeah. Look at Beans. He's bigger than you. I don't like those guns. I'm going in.